This one right here. Then you can go back, look at the ringtones, and then if you want, you can go to wallpapers, get anything you want. There's Watchdogs over there. There's Supreme from Lil Pump. There's Money. There's Deadpool. There's the Punisher. And then there's Pennywise. Then the Cowgirls. Ashkara, 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 ashkara. Okay, so I'm just gonna search up some random Lil Pump. Search up Lil Pump. Pulls up Lil Pump. Then when you go to ringtones, search up anything you want. There's a lot of these Mariamba ones. And there's much more too. There is, what else? Just gonna search up Lil Pump. Okay, so there's that. There's all of these. And yeah, subscribe for more.